Hey everyone, welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. I'm here today with Chris from BD Diesel, and we're going to be talking about the exhaust manifold kit for the 2008 to 2010 Ford 6.4 liter Powerstroke. So Chris, what makes the BD manifold different from other OE style replacements?
Well, one of the things is the manifold is manufactured in North America. We use high silicon ductile iron, which has great properties for manifolds. It has less chance of expanding and contracting and cracking. And then we have a thicker wall as well. So our thicker wall, a 1/4 inch wall, prevents it from cracking and warping as well.
How does the BD manifold help maximize flow?
Well, on the flow side of it, we port match our ports to the gasket size, which a lot of manifolds actually have a smaller port than the gasket actually has, so the gasket's a little bit bigger. So we port match it to the gasket size. And then we use fluid dynamics in the engineering side of it. The R&D team figures out the best flow through the manifold to make sure it has great flow.
So what comes included in this kit?
It comes with the 2 manifolds, the 2 gaskets for the manifold to head, and then 6 studs for the up pipes to hook onto.
And that wraps it up for today. A big thank you to Chris.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming by and giving us all the information we need to know about the BD exhaust manifolds. To find one for your vehicle, check out xdp.com, and we'll see you next time.